Okay, this is probably going to be the most raw and real video that I will ever make. When I started TikTok, for some reason, I've just felt comfortable sharing my story, my experiences that I don't ever talk about. So this is going to be a big shocker to a lot of my friends and family, because this has been my secret for 12 years. I'm going to be going to an Ibogaine treatment center. I'm going to this treatment center because I'm addicted to opiates. I've been addicted to opiates since I was 16. I got them prescribed to me by a doctor, and I never really thought of it as an addiction for the first few years because I was getting it prescribed to me and I was taking my dosage exactly how it was prescribed. I was prescribed Norco a few days after I gave birth due to retained placenta. It required surgery, and then a few days after that, I was diagnosed with chronic pain. And for those of you that don't know, during that time, I was in a very, very abusive relationship, so I would just take a few extras sometimes to kind of like help with the pain that was going on mentally, physically, and everything in between. Eventually, my doctor suggested that I switch to methadone. I didn't really ask questions or research what methadone was. I was 18 or 19 when I got it prescribed to me. That was the worst decision of my life. Methadone has a very, very long half-life. So withdrawals usually last between 60 to 90 days, and that's some pretty intense withdrawals. So now about Beyond and the treatment center. The treatment center is called Beyond. Beyond is located in Cancun, and they administer Ibogaine in a safe, very safe. I mean, you're hooked up to monitors, you get an EKG, there's a doctor, nurses, like an ICU facility just in case anything would have to happen to me. I feel very, very safe going there. Ibogaine helps with the withdrawal symptoms, and it helps with mental illness as well, which I've talked about on here. It's just, there's so many uses for the Ibogaine. And I will be doing all kinds of videos, I'm going to be calling them episodes, about Ibogaine, what Ibogaine is, what it does, how it affects your brain. I'll be doing a video on my trip or my experience with Ibogaine, as well as the facility. The facility has daily massages, 2 personal chefs, swimming pool, art therapy, qigong, yoga. I can't even name how many amazing things they have there. So I'll be taking you with me on this journey to my sobriety. And yeah, I'm really excited. I was 16 when I got addicted and prescribed narcotics. So it's gonna be interesting trying to find out, I don't even remember who I was before this. So I hope you guys come on the journey with me.